During the week of November 4th through the 10th, Rutherford County will help recognize Drone Safety Awareness Week. The FAA's goal is to educate the public about drone safety by engaging the public and spreading awareness about how drones are used in the public and business sectors.
Well, the GIS division of OIT uses the drones in mapping, supplementing footage for the RCTV television station, and also as a backup to the public safety divisions of the county, as our aircraft has interchangeable gimbal mounts on it that we can put a multitude of sensors on, including ones that would be used in a public safety situation.
So on a fire scene, we have a thermal imaging camera on the aircraft, so we can fly above the fire scene, and even through smoky conditions, we're able to see the hot spots in the structure and direct people where to spray water onto those hot spots and hopefully prevent rekindling and get the fire out in a much more efficient and safer manner.
Our pilots are required to pass a Part 107 FAA licensure certification. It's required by the FAA for operation of small unmanned aerial systems under 50 pounds for commercial purposes.
The uses are kind of endless when it comes to this technology. We probably haven't even explored everything we can do with it. The safety aspect of it is crucial both for the responders and for the public. We're able to, like I said earlier, map out areas that it would take a lot of manpower and a lot of time to maybe find a problem that we were looking for, but with this technology, we're able to do that much quicker and much more efficiently. And there's so much technology built into the aircraft themselves when it comes to safety that it becomes almost foolproof. It can almost fly itself, it can land itself.
We have used them in exercises along with them to help them see the exercise area better. We can also use them after disasters like the tornado in November of last year. We mapped that whole area, the almost 7 miles of damage path.
It's an invaluable tool for search and rescue. In the past, we would have to just deploy manpower on the ground, searching through heavily wooded areas, some unsafe terrain, but with the UAVs, we're able to get up in the air and see a large area in a much quicker time. And also with the thermal imaging camera, we're able to search for people and things that we wouldn't be able to see through a heavily wooded area or something. We're able to use that thermal imaging camera to see images of bodies or images of people walking through the woods that we wouldn't be able to see over heavily wooded areas. It helps us to do our job much more efficiently and much more effectively. Specifically like a hazmat situation, we can map out an area much more quickly and we can define what the product is that we were looking for, how much of it is spilled, and that puts us in a safer environment and puts the public in a safer environment because we're able to more quickly figure out what the situation is, whereas in the past we would have to deploy manpower to do that, and it takes a whole lot more time.